This is Virat Kohli in 2014. And this is Virat Kohli in 2018. Obviously, the results are very different, but can you spot the difference in technique? In 2014, you see a very narrow stance. The head is falling on the offside, resulting in a short forward and a cross stride. Therefore, the understanding of where the off stump is slightly blurred. In 2018, you see a much wider stance. Head is on top of the off stump. He's leading with his head and his front shoulder. The forward stride is long and straight. Therefore, the bat meets the ball under his eyes besides the front leg. Now let's see this from side on. Much wider stance. The head is slightly on top of the front leg. The stride is a fairly long one, and the weight gets transferred at the time of impact. Ball meets the bat besides the front leg. And that's the key difference between Virat Kohli, the test batsman in 2014, and Virat Kohli, the test batsman in 2018. It started with the head, the wider stance, leading with the head and the shoulder, and a fairly long forward stride is what has made all the difference.
Rather than practicing what he was already good at and asking bowler to bowl at same place where he hit six, he identified his weakness and improved his outside of batting through change in technique, and thus got better in batting with time. When you practice the thing you are already good at, then there is no chance of improvement. But when you practice the thing you are weak at, then it makes you better. One more example. What do you think will make you better in maths? Practicing hundreds of same type of questions, or practicing 5 questions you are weak at. Sachin Tendulkar also used deliberate practice for his batting improvement. He used this technique against Shane Warne, the king of spin. Let's first watch how King spins the ball.
And Tendulkar greets him by dancing down the track and hammering it over long on. That smash back straight back over the bowler's head. And again hit with tremendous power by Tendulkar. And he's not finished yet. Consecutive boundaries for Tendulkar.
In his book, Playing It My Way, Sachin Tendulkar wrote that
knowing that I would soon be facing him, I studied Warne's bowling in that series carefully. I decided to open up my stance a little to Warne and to stand slightly outside the leg stump. I also planned to play him more from the crease and as late as possible. Having worked on the theory, I now needed to practice against the kind of deliveries Warne would use when under pressure. I started training in late January, with still a month to go.